Welcome back. One of the ways you can add to the capability of Windows 10 is to add applications to it. In order to find those applications, all you'll need to do is to type in Store and go to the Microsoft Store. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to click this link that says Apps. And then you can begin to search for apps, or you can browse for them. In some cases, you can pay for the capacity to extend Windows 10, or you can use some of the free applications that it has available to it. For example, many cloud-based applications that you're already using through the web, you can attach them to your Windows 10. Or in some cases, there are hybrid applications that you're already using that you can, again, add to Windows 10's capability. So the place to start would be to use your search bar and then to type in the function first of what you want to do. And then you'll want to see what you have available inside of the Windows Store. So for example, if we were to type in the phrase Project Manager, you'll see some applications available to you. You see Microsoft To Do, which you can add to your Windows 10. In this case, you'll just click the Get button. Microsoft will then download to your hard drive, and then the product will be installed automatically. You can then go to the launch area. And then the app will then be part of your Windows 10. And you can do this with any other app that you want to add to your capability. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.